Hello everyone. Every instruction I'm sharing in this video has been validated by the mechanics working with me here at the shop, so don't worry, we'll figure it out together. If the message Service 4WD appears on a Chevy, the first thing many drivers think is that the four-wheel drive system has completely failed. But when mechanics talk about this issue, the reality is usually much calmer. That warning actually means the vehicle's computer detected something unusual in the four-wheel drive system and, for safety reasons, temporarily disabled it until everything starts working properly again. Many times the story begins in the transfer case, which is the component responsible for sending the engine's power to all four wheels. Inside it, there's a small electric motor called the actuator, whose job is to switch between the different drive modes. When that actuator wears out, gets stuck, or simply doesn't send the correct signal, the system becomes confused and the well-known message appears on the dashboard. In several cases mechanics have mentioned, the problem was solved by replacing that actuator or cleaning the connector that powers it. Following that same idea, another detail often surprises many customers: the 4WD selector on the dashboard. That small button or knob you use to switch between 2WD and 4WD can wear out over time or fail internally. When that happens, the computer receives erratic signals and assumes something is wrong in the system. Because of that, in some vehicles the message disappears simply by replacing that switch, which is actually a fairly simple component. But the story doesn't end there, because in many cases the problem isn't even a major part. Instead, it's something much simpler: electrical connections. In several reports from this shop, it's mentioned that loose ground wires, connectors with moisture, or corroded terminals can trigger the exact same warning. Once those connections are cleaned or tightened properly, the system begins communicating correctly again, and the message disappears. As you keep looking into real experiences, the electronic side of the issue also shows up. Some people discovered that the vehicle needed a reprogramming of the 4WD system module. Basically, the vehicle's computer had a glitch or outdated software, and after updating it, the system returned to normal operation. All of this explains why the message can appear even when the vehicle seems to be working fine. Sometimes it happens after changing drive modes while the vehicle is moving, or when the system tries to engage 4WD and something doesn't align properly. At that moment, the computer prefers to lock the system temporarily rather than risk damaging anything. When you put together all these experiences from forums and workshops, the conclusion becomes pretty clear. The message Service 4WD almost never means the entire system is ruined. In most cases, it's simply a worn actuator, a dashboard switch, an electrical connection, or a small electronic detail that's confusing the computer.